Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Honor 70, and now I can show you how to fix and how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. So I suggest you use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use, or any other plastic object. Okay, as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So, to clear the power port, we just need to take the cover off if you have, and insert the one part of the brush to the connector. Then, after that, just pry the dirt out. It's so easy with toothbrush, because construction of toothbrush helps to clean any white places and any thin places too. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.